Good morning, everyone. I had a feeling this was probably going to happen, and I'm going to say you guys should probably be prepared for several days off this week simply due to the weather that we're going to have. I know this isn't ideal, but you know what? That's what Mother Nature's dealing to us right now, so we got to do what we got to do. First off, a couple things unrelated to school. Number one, stay off the roads unless it's an absolute emergency. Things are getting bad, and they're going to be worse throughout the day and the following days with the ice that we're probably going to get if we do happen to get a little bit of rain later today. Also, after today, the wind chills are going to start dropping. Okay, cover all that exposed skin that you might have when you go outside. Yes, that's your face too. If you don't have a scarf or something like that, I'd probably invest in one. And then try to stay warm because it's going to get really, really cold for a few days here. Things related to school. If we close 2 consecutive days, like today and tomorrow, or going forward, anything else like that where 2 days in a row will be closed, be sure to check Echo and media announcements for what type of day it's going to be, whether it's an e-learning day versus an actual regular closing, where we would not have e-learning activities associated with that. Number 2, if you're an athlete or you have some type of practice or conditioning, be in contact with your coaches, pay attention to the website, anchordownlakers.org. Roman, our AD, will put out announcements through there about whether or not practices are canceled or what's allowed and what's not. So just stay up to date on that. On another note regarding school, attendance policy for e-learning day. It came out in the voicemail that was sent by the school this morning as well. Your attendance is completed by finishing and submitting your work for e-learning day. Calling in and emailing, it no longer works for attendance. So please don't do it. Okay, checking in per se, quote unquote, is not going to say you are present. Okay, we will check Echo after 2 days returning to school to update attendance records to the day missed. So if we don't return to school until Friday, technically your work is not due till Monday, if we have school on Monday, which we should. But anyway, so 2 days after returning to school will count for your attendance if you have your work done. So just get it done ahead of time so you don't have to worry about that. All right? Cool. Lastly, e-learning for today, 1/28/19. Just like the last 2 times we've had e-learning and Flex Day, just navigate to the Flex Day e-learning stuff folder, select the folder labeled e-learning 1/28/19, and you'll find your assignments for today. It's going to be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, still feel free to email me. I will be available at times throughout the day. And have a great day off. Enjoy your time and find some time to get that work done.